Rokkeros, nakakabadilansa ng album novo to. Pagkabis ko dyan yung track na kukiremi. Si Minoha Pisabo of si Bomista Gasi, da banda local of international. Kiremi Bono por Gasi. Bono por Gasi, the Rokkeros da Iconos. Okay, nos conversar con lang nos abri el micrófono di David, right?
David, yes.
David, how you doing, man? ¿Cómo está?
I'm pretty good.
You're doing pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Congratulations on the album, the first tune that we just played. Just on the,
Yes.
It sounds really, really good, man.
Thank you very much.
So, what is the inspiration on that particular record?
Oh, that's a good question.
Yeah, because then we have to talk to our friend here, Gio, right? Gio, how you doing, man? ¿Cómo está?
Oof. I've been chilling. But
Yeah.
its main inspiration for the song Zaya was just showing that no matter what tough time you go through, it's our relationship, you know, is you always want to be there for the person. I think that was like the main idea that was for the song. And to also, I kind of just finished watching is a movie. A movie was called is a Notebook, and to had so much emotional roller coaster starting movie, it kind of inspired me to write the song Zaya.
Zaya sounds really, really, really amazing.
Thank you so much. Means a lot.
It's not even a joke, man. It sounds really, 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 really good. Back to David.
Yes.
So now that you guys have the album out, how is the feeling? How are you guys feeling? It's something monumental if you ask me, because it's your first album, right?
Yeah, that's true. I feel pretty pumped. I'm like, oh wow, this is like a big jump start, you know, to start going.
It is a big
outside.
jump start.
Yeah, so
It is a big jump start.
feels really
So
good.
amongst your fans, how is the reaction on this?
Pretty good.
Good, right?
Like yeah, like they like it. So good
I much good reactions.
yeah.
Until now.
Yes.
We have Michael John with us as well. So Michael John, tell us, what was your role on the album as well?
See, so I was mainly the bassist, you know, I added some lyrics here and there, but I was always laying down the groove on the tracks, making sure everything's, you know, nice and groovy.
Nice. So I just have to ask this as well. So what was the main inspiration of the whole album actually?
That's pretty good. It's mostly on, you know, our experiences, like with relationships or, you know, those kind of situations, and something like we want to make a story from the things that happened to us, and
Okay.
then we put that into a lyric form, and then we put all the instruments together, and then there we go.
I think that's again, I'm not a writer and I'm not a singer. Maybe in the bathroom or something. But I feel like that's the most genuine thing coming out of a writer or a singer.
Yeah.
You know, like real life experiences
Yeah.
translated into a song.
Yeah.
And you can actually feel it in that song as well, Zaya. This guy is laughing, so he's like the right guy.
A lot of emotion was put into Zaya. So.
Yeah.
A lot of emotions, right?
A lot of emotion.
And the important part is that someone who listens to it needs to actually feel it as well.
Yeah, that's
So
nice.
again, it has a beautiful rhythm, if you want to call it like that. But if you listen closely to the lyrics, it is beautiful as well.
Yes. Thank you.
So it's a beautiful composed, overall composed track in this case. So it's nice.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
It's amazing to hear.
Yeah.
There's all the kind words.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
We really put our soul into the
Yeah.
We can hear it. So you guys were on stage at the Marineris Kazarna opening. I think that was one of your first real gigs, right?
Yeah. On the 1st of May, it's one of our first real big gigs. It's when we first came there. You saw like a band from Aruba. It's Honeypot, and they were amazing. You know,
Yeah.
piano from everything. It was sounding amazing. And to at first we kind of felt a little nervous because we're playing after Honeypot. You know,
Yeah.
it's Honeypot. So it's when we went up a stage. You know, nerves calmed down, and we started to play a few covers here and there. You know, and in my opinion, it's very good.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's true.
I love the stage. You know, it was really amazing playing on there, seeing like the crowd reaction to our songs.
Exactly,
They loved it. So
The nervousness like slowly went away. I was like, I'm feeling
Yeah.
You're
good
feeling
about this.
rested.
Yeah.
And the main thing that was perfect, it was his sound. His sound.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
His speakers was playing everything perfectly. You know?
Yeah.
Nice. Because again, it feels different if you're playing it in front of the crowd. People start like slowly moving and getting into the groove.
Yeah.
And again, back at those days, not many people were familiar with the name Rokkeros. So we're like, who's playing there?
Yeah.
Is he on stage? Yes or no? So in terms of live performances, do you have anything planned for the new album as well?
Is for now, at this moment, we don't have any live performances now planned, but it's what we're mainly focused on is pushing our music. It's more out there. It's for more people to listen to our music. Maybe it's going more deeper inside the year as we plan on to do more is live performances.
Live performances.
Yeah.
So this is girl, right? You know, Valentine's Day is actually coming up, and these these songs are perfect for that. These sound really, really, really good. Because again, if you hear the name Rokkeros again, talking about if they didn't hear your music first, and then you hear this, I'm like, yeah, this is a type of rock as well. But again, it's more of a mellow, slow rock.
Yeah. The main thing I can say about is our music is like a mix of different genres, you know. I like is Michael John here? He listens to more metal and to rock, and David here is more punkish and to R&B. Me, I listen to I like a lot of jazz to R&B, so it's made like a mix and mash of different genres to ideas coming together. So that's one of the song. You could hear a bit of influence on rock, like Ballerina and Judy at the solos. It's very rock theme, so the main thing I could say about our album is very
diverse, right?
Yeah, diverse.
It's a very diverse album. So for anyone who wants to listen to the whole thing, because we just give you like a short preview, of course. You can listen to these tracks on the radio as well because we do have them. But for someone else who wants to just stream those tracks and carefully listen to them, where can they find these tracks?
You can find these songs everywhere. Basically, you can find it on the YouTube. A main source right now is YouTube. On the Spotify, is iTunes. Basically everywhere. You go check on your preferred streaming platform. Is most likely on your preferred streaming platform.
Awesome. So the album is on YouTube, it's on Spotify.
It's everywhere.
Spotify is kind of the easiest way to go, of course, because it's easily playable, all the tracks as well. Well, that's awesome, guys. The Rokkeros. Nos ating placer di intervista ng Dinang Salida ang Tomita Corda. I do remember this. As soon as we were finished, I just sent your number to the ones responsible for Martínez Casanas. These guys have to play. Come on, these guys have to play it live. I just feel that they have to do it, and it happened. So hopefully we can see you guys live in more locations. In this case,
it's made me want to say it's a big thank you to School of Film and to especially you. It's for the amazing opportunity to play at Kazan because it was really a dream come true to play in front of such a huge crowd and to get our names out there. So I want to say a big thank you.
And you never know, maybe this is the year for the second time. You never know. I mean, it's still January, but still, you can have to and plan ahead, of course. Wow, guys, wow. Sige na the Rokkeros, Masterman. Sabay lang escucha Girl completo. Dinobo, guys, thank you for joining us today. Invite our whole island to stream this song. Texas for it. And of course, give you the utmost support for this wonderful album as well.
Yeah, thank you for having us. Everybody here listening to then, you can stream our platform, Spotify, YouTube, iTunes, literally everywhere you could find it. You just gotta go listen to the album for yourself.
Awesome, guys. Nice. The Rokkeros. Anything else? All right.
Thank you.
Sa guitar